Okay, let me quickly hear. Okay, John, we've got a lady here. Only English or a bit of Afrikaans?
A little bit of Afrikaans.
Okay, so can I do a bit of bilingual for the Aussies, the Afrikaans Aussies? Okay, good stuff. 45 seconds. We on to 45 seconds. Okay, Nikki, is everything fine? Everything is good. Okay. Okay, just to check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Just make sure the levels are good. All right, we're on to 20 seconds, going 15 for countdown for Matthew. Thank you.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent.
We are here in the garden room with a lady who is South African. What is your name?
Michelle.
Michelle, being a South African, what makes the garden route so special and South Africa?
Everything, the scenery, the restaurants, the beautiful people, everything.
Yeah, that is absolutely amazing. Guys, that beer break, you need another one. We'll see you back in a second. It's in die tand. In the
Okay.
tooth.
Ek gaan kyk.
Oh, really?
Is aan die kant? Net tand langs aan the side. Ja. Maar ek gaan kyk net op die kamera. Hoeveel sekondes het ek?
Okay, 30 seconds.
Kan jy sien? Ja?
Right.
Weet jy dit?
10 seconds to go counting. Counting out.
Okay.
I'm back with this lady from South Africa. Ma'am, garden route, many things to do. You agree?
Yeah, so much to do. Jeez, it's a tourist paradise.
Yes, absolutely. All right. South Africa, it's beer. It's all over. Another one. Have another beer. Break. Nikki is nog steeds daar. Ek kan nie weer vir 'n uitbreek gaan nie. Haal net uit vir ons asseblief tog. Just take it out.
Kan jy sien?
Kan jy nie sien nie?
Nee.
Wag. Nikki is hierso. Hou nie stres. Jy kyk gou mooi, kyk of jy dit kan sien. Kan jy
Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, going live. Yeah. Yes. Mond toe maak. Okay, and we're going there. Ma'am, and of course, a great place for children, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely. I see so many families around. It's fantastic. They're loving the beach and the good weather.
Yes, yes. All right. Right, not only beer, it's beer all the time. Another break. Nikki, ek kan nie so werk nie. I will lose my job.
Dis my eerste keer wat
I know what you are saying, but I mean, we live now.
I'm
Please.
sorry. I'm trying my best here. I know we're on time.
Okay, guys.
Are you guys into maybe you had some biltong or something
Yeah,
before?
no, I've been to school
Okay.
for breakfast. So.
Okay,
But
go.
we out. No,
Okay,
we
go live. We're live again.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I don't feel I apologize for this. The problem is some people arrive in interviews and they don't clean up the tooth. It's not a problem. We accept.
I feel like I'm on candid camera.
No, my name is JD. Candid camera. Just look there. Hidden camera on the back. Nikki staan nader.
Go.
Okay.
I thought you were going to get fired. I was
Dis
sorry,
jammer. So daar sou het ons dit, hè?
Geef ons 'n lekker
Thank you.
kamera look en sê JD pranks, jy het my.
JD pranks, jy het my.